All right, here we go. This is 23 Donruss Football 2 Mega PYT 179. And again, guys, make sure you check the item descriptions on eBay to all these breaks. You'll get the information on that sweepstakes going for this month. That ends the end of the month. No purchase necessary. If you want any details, go to the item description on eBay. Here we go. We're going to have 10 cards per pack, 6 packs per box, 1 auto per box on average as well. Got the rookie preview blue scopes possible out here. Downtowns are also possible, plus the emoji parallels. Let's see if we can hit a downtown. I really like this year's Donruss. Empty box number 1. Those guesses in, guys, for the player on the last auto of the break. There should be 2 autos, 1 per box. And again, like I said, if any of the autos are replaced by Panini points, we will random those off to someone in the break. As far as the auto guess goes, anybody in the live chat can put a guess in there. And if you guess the correct player on the last auto, if you're the first one to guess them, you will get 20 in credit to use in our store for any breaks, packs, or boxes. There's Darius Slayton to start us off. Khalil Shakur, Jalen Waddle, Nemesis St. Brown, Daniil Hunter, Charlie Jones rookie, Red Hot rookies. There's Zay Flowers. And we have Zay Flowers, Elite Series rookies. There's our blue scope Azuma for the Chiefs. The optic preview, Aiden O'Connell Raider rookie green right there. Going to the Raider spot. This green press proof. Ahmad Sauce Gardner, Kyler Murray, Chris Godwin, Christian Kirk, Jordan Love, Michael Pittman Jr., Jake Hayner, Jordan Addison on the bomb squad, Tariq Hall on the pink optic preview, Dalton Kincaid on our rookie revolution. Next pack. You can guess the player on the last auto for 20 in credit. Up next is going to be our certified football PYT 165. PYT 165 coming up next. There's Denzel Mims for the Jets. David Montgomery. Derek Forrest. Deron Payne. Dak Prescott. Jahmyr Gibbs. Anthony Richardson's going to be our first auto. Nice hit there for the Colts on the Anthony Richardson base auto on these less desirable retail breaks. What would the cost of Richardson be in a hobby compared to this? Nice hit there for the Colts. Got that Richardson auto. Should have 1 auto left. There's the Dominators, Deebo Samuel. Julius Brents on the rated rookie optic preview. Rated rookie green, Michael Wilson. So next pack. Let's see if we can open it. There we go. There's Malik Willis, Amari Cooper, Justin Simmons, Michael Thomas, Hassan Reddick, Andy Dalton, Tariq Hall. There's Tyreek Hill on the highlights. There's our blue scope, Zay Flowers. Nice little Zay Flowers break here. That preview. And we got Tyson Campbell on the green press proof kid reporter card. At least I see Yaya here. We hit 2 Yaya autos out of our last mega boxes, or Deshaun Gibson. I think they was some mega box breaks. Beanie Sewell, J.K. Dobbins. You win some, you lose some in any of the breaks you do, you know. Kyron Williams, Mitchell Trubisky, Julius Brents, Dylan Horton on the gold press proof out of 50, 34 out of 50. That's going to the Houston Texans. Nice little hit there. Donruss throwback there. Lamar Jackson, MVP. Lamar Jackson is going to be two-time MVP. Paris Johnson Jr. on the pink. And our boy Yaya on the green. Let's top load some of these. Probably don't need to top load the non-quarterback greens, but we'll do it anyway. Yeah, that's the thing. He's going to have 2 MVPs as young as he is and still be extremely underrated for sure. But maybe he gets that Super Bowl this year, and then all the talk can stop about him not being a true quarterback. It's not his fault. No one can tackle him. Look at the rest of these top loaded here, then we'll continue on. You guys still have time to guess the player on the last auto of the break. Our first auto was Anthony Richardson of the Colts. Can we do? Man, that'd be sweet if we had the 2 mega box autos like we did Yaya Diaby, at least for the Colts spot, if we had another Richardson auto. We want a downtown. That's what we're hoping for as well. We got last year's 22 optic retail boxes. We've hit quite a few downtowns out of those in the past. Those are fun boxes. You can get about 5 of those per hobby box. And we definitely hit more downtowns on the retail boxes there than we did the hobby. Wonder if that'll be the same this year. Retail boxes will have good downtown chances. There's Cordero Patterson, Daniel Jones, Zach Ertz, Jalen Ramsey, Justin Fields, Devonta Smith, Paris Johnson Jr., Gridiron Kings, Sam Laporta, Trey Tucker on the pink rated rookie optic preview, Dexter Lawrence on the green press proof kid reporter card, our next pack. Amari Cooper, Deshaun Gibson, Justin Tucker, Vince Skoranek. Yeah, you're getting rewarded for scooping up all those last spots. Shaq Thompson, Gardner Minshew, Joey Porter Jr. The champ is here, Juju Smith-Schuster. How about a Dwayne McBride Blue Scope Optic Preview? Michael Wilson. A green and kid reporter card. Swell, Cordero Patterson, Buda Baker, Roquan Smith, Christian Watson, Laramie Tunsil, Evan Hull, rookie for the Colts. We have throwback Cam Akers for the Rams. Jalen Carter on the pink preview. And Max Duggan, green. 4 packs left. Okay, good luck to everybody who's getting those guesses in. That auto could come out any pack here. There's Daniel Jones, Jordan Poyer, Alvin Kamara, Javonte Williams. There's L'Jarius Sneed, Zadarius Smith, Clayton Tune on the rated rookie, Jake Hayner. It's like the canvas rated rookie. Sean Clifford, pink optic preview. Robert Woods on the green, press proof. Just regular press proof, I guess. And all my cards are sliding around up here. 3 packs left. I don't think we have had a Richardson guess that I can remember in the chat. I have to scroll back up a little bit. Derek Carr, why not get 20 in credit and hit another auto? Trevor Lawrence, Shaquille Barrett, Travis Etienne. We got Dallas Goedert, George Kittle, Aiden O'Connell on the rated rookie. There's Devonta Smith on the Power Plus. Deuce Vaughn on the blue scope for Dallas. There's Jaden Reed on the green for the Packers. Max Crosby, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Terry McLaurin. Up next after this one is our certified break. Joey Bosa, Justin Herbert, Michael Gallup. There's Tyler Steen, Bomb Squad, Tyler Scott, Peter Skoronski on the pink rated rookie, optic preview, and a rookie revolution. That is Marvin Mims for Denver. All right, this is our last pack. Should have our auto in here. Should have been 1 auto per box on average. Again, sometimes they do replace them with Panini points. Let's hope we got 2 autos. There's Okonkwo, Tyler Boyd, Kenneth Walker, Aaron Donald, Kenny Pickett. There's Tank Dell on the rated rookie. There's Kendre Miller. Is this going to be our auto? It is. Kendre Miller on the auto. If anybody guessed Kendre Miller, you got 20 in credit headed your way. Nice hit for the Saints spot. A bunch of cards to top load here as well. Do that in a moment. Here's Sam Laporta on the rookies. Going to Detroit. Quentin Johnston on the pink optic preview. And Travis Etienne on the green. Oh, nice hit. You had the Saints as well. Can't complain about that. Nice hit. All right, guys, I'm going to top load these. We'll do our recap, and then we'll move on to our certified break. So if you guys are waiting for that certified break, it's up next. After certified is our Prism 2 mega box football break. Then we have Mosaic 2 mega. Then Mosaic 2022 Blasters, 3 blaster box break. Then we have Topps Chrome Update Series Baseball and Bowman Chrome 2023 Mega Boxes. Those will all be up. Again, guys, if you are waiting on your breaks or just watching the breaks, you can make guesses. And each of these breaks will have some sort of guess to try to earn 20 in credit. Make sure you put your answer in the chat, whichever player it is, on whatever break we are breaking. A couple break nights ago, we gave away 40 in credit. We gave away 20 in a few nights. The more guesses we get, the better chance we have of giving away that credit. If you guys want more spots in our future breaks, use that link pinned to the top of the chat. It'll take you to all the available breaks. There will also be a code at the top of that page. Once you click on that link, you can use it at checkout to get 10% off all your purchases. Excuse me. All right, let's do our recap here, guys. I appreciate everyone for helping fill this break. Everyone for getting those guesses in. I'm going to bump my camera there. We got Trey Tucker, Dwayne McBride on the blue, Michael Wilson, Jalen Carter, Jake Hayner, Clifford, Deuce Vaughn, Jalen Reed, Skoronski, Sam Laporta, Quentin Johnston. There's Kendre Miller, who was the second auto of the break. Red Hot Rookies, Zay Flowers, Zuma on the blue scope, Aiden O'Connell, Derek Hall, Julius Brents, Michael Wilson, Anthony Richardson was our first auto of the break. Zay Flowers, blue scope, Dylan Horton out of 50, 34 out of 50 on the Horton. Paris Johnson Jr., Yaya Diaby. Here we go. Good luck. Oh, Robert Kraft. Yeah, it's Tucker Kraft. All right. That does it for this one. Let me get the list up for the 23 certified hobby. You guys are guessing the player on the last auto out of 23 certified.